Today we will be reviewing and unboxing this, so let's get into it. Hello everybody, Dawnstar here. Today we'll be reviewing and unboxing the Shadow the Hedgehog 3-inch Jazwares figure. So I'm gonna cut to when all this is open and then get back to you. Okay, we've cut the tape off, so now we can actually open it. And from the back you can see this image of Sonic. Can't really get it in frame. I don't know if that's video. And you can see Shadow in the back. Here he actually is. He comes with Doom's Eye from the Shadow game and a stand, so you can have him there. And then there's the actual Shadow figure. Not really liking coming out. It's tied out by the back, so it's just not that. And here he is, Shadow. He has, let's count, he has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. He has 13 joints in him, which is really cool. He comes with his soap shoes, of course, because he doesn't wear any other shoes, and is pretty flexible. You can even kind of make him run like how he does in the games, and it's pretty cool. I ordered this off of eBay for like a lot of money, so I hope it's worth it, and I think it is. If you're wondering where all the other Sonic characters are, they're coming. Don't worry, I'll do a review on those. But overall, I think this one's pretty good. And you can even have them like sit and stuff. I haven't really played the Shadow the Hedgehog game, so I don't really have that much interest in Doom's Eye, but it looks pretty cool. The printing and paint is overall very detailed. Like, everything is just perfect, like it was ripped from the game. Even the red stripes in his hair are technically molded in and then painted red. You can see the ridges of where it cuts off. And from the back, you can see, well, he has 2 spines from the back and the tail. Pretty average stuff, but still pretty cool. You can kind of make him roll up in a ball if you like do this, I guess, but it's not very perfect. But overall, pretty good figure. I don't know when my next video will be, but I hope it will be soon. And I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.